Hello and welcome back to another video here today. Today's TravisPlays Life. Oh, I said the old one. Today, this is TravisPlays Life. I'm here with you on another video for Scratch. Now today, we are going to be doing a Scratch tutorial on how to make a menu in Scratch with features that are able to appear upon the menu opening and to be able to close that menu as well. So first of all, let's just go to Scratch. And we have made our project. So what we're going to do now is we are going to delete all sprites and we are going to add in a button or something that we can know starts our menu. For me, it's literally going to be a button, but it's going to be a home button, which is all the way down here somewhere. I've gone past it. There you go. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to build in a basic script. When a green flag clicked, we want it to show. We want to send out the event or a message. That's what I want to send out. The message of menu open. So it's going to, when it perceives that, it's going to hide. And now if it's on when menu closes, it's going to show. There you go. So as we've got our basic thing, I'm now going to go ahead and add in the menu. But before we do that, as you've just noticed, we want to have a one sprite clicked, broadcast menu open. And we are quickly going to add in our stopping button while I think about it. And for the stop button, I use the stop thing. And it's going to be near enough the same. Okay, now that we've added in our code, we can go ahead and we can add in the menu. So this is going to be a time lapse, as the time lapses before in this video. But this is going to be a longer one where I'm actually going to make a menu and put in the code for it to show and for it to disappear. As you can see, we have finished our code. It's just saving a moment, but that's likely to be slow as my computer's a bit like that at the moment. For now, we've got our code in with our receiving the broadcasts and our effects happening to this. So now we're going to test it for the first time. I'm just going to reset everything by a green flag. I'm going to press home button and the menu appears. But I have messed up the stop button. There we go. And the stop menu wants to appear on top. And finally, we want to home button. There you go. And now you can do that successfully. There we go. As you can see, we've made this basic function, but what we're going to do is one thing I probably should have showed above is that for each of them, may receive a specific one, but what we want to do is we just want to have the stop button, or the home buttons. That's probably the first one coded. We're going to have hide this show, and we're going to look for one that says show, which is when I receive menu close. So instead of doing the show command, we can just do the menu close command, and that will do the exact same thing. I'm just going to name this. And now we can start to add things to this menu. So we're going to choose the person that appears when this menu is clicked. We're going to have this flying cat, because that's a normal thing we have in society today. And we are going to have it so the very first thing it's got is when I receive menu close, it's going to hide, and when it receives menu open, it's going to show. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add a green flag. I'm going to have control and forever, and we're going to have motion 10 steps. Set it to like 5. We're going to have if on edge bounce. So we have a flying hidden cat, but while menu's open, he flies around. We're just going to change his direction, and he's good. Or as my brother would say, he's Gucci. Right, so that's how to make a basic menu with an object inside which can show and hide at the same time menus opened or closed. If you want something to only show when menus closed, you can do the same as these commands, just with inverted hide and show blocks. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And if I have some practice in editing, because today I was watching an editing thing on YouTube, I should have something appearing over here with editing. But yeah, for now though, that is all. Have a beautiful day. Goodbye.